Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. On tonight's menu, Casual Chef Chicken Quesadillas. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Heating up some oil in the brazier. Add the chicken and saute. Then I push the chicken aside and saute the onions. I add the garlic and saute for about 30 seconds. I add the herbs and spices and adobo. Then after that, I add the bell peppers and saute. And here's the finished stuffing. Here's the setup to create the quesadillas. First side down on the flat top. Flip second side on the flat top. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.